Exosomes as a drug delivery vehicle is one of the most exciting opportunities that biotechnology has seen in a long time. They're essentially nature's lipid nanoparticles. So with the explosion of RNA-based therapeutics that we've seen with, for instance, the COVID-19 vaccines, which have been lurking in the background for a while using RNA loaded into some type of a fat particle to try and derive biology, we now recognize the importance of being able to change protein expression by using RNA. So it's sort of, as you would call it, poor man's gene therapy. You don't impact the DNA, but you can drive healthy protein expression. Exosomes are nature's drug delivery vehicle. They're membrane bound. They cross through the cell membrane with ease. They have markers on the surface to direct them to sites of injury and specifically to penetrate into the cytoplasm of a cell and drive protein expression. So we believe that exosomes will very rapidly overtake lipid nanoparticles to deliver biologic contents.